Hi guys, it's the month of February and I know I've been Mia again, but I'm really trying my best guys. So today mag-update po tayo ng ating paycheck number 2. Actually, I already did my budgeting in here. As you can see, all I have to do, I just wanted to show with you guys how I am going to pay my credit card. Credit card lang naman because again, credit card is bad if you're not staying on top of it. So you have to really make sure that you are paying on time. But first, allow me to enter what I've spent for today, which is I've spent 500 pesos. So let me enter 220. That's February 20. And that's gonna be under the category of what? Miscellaneous? Yep, miscellaneous. The 500 is actually for rental for the career day of my kid. 250 for the rental and 150 for the deposit. So once I return the item, I'd be able to get my deposit. So that's 500. So currently, scroll up tayo. So may running amount here, it's 72,053. And now, all I have to do is to go to my credit card transaction. So for my credit card transaction, guys, okay, I haven't updated the date in here, so I just need to update and change this to February. There, na-update ko na siya into February, guys. February 3 to February 15. The whole amount that is actually I swipe using my credit card is 15,333. It is still unpaid because I haven't paid this balance yet. So, kaya nandito tayo ngayon because I wanted to show with you how I'm going to pay this. So, most likely, I haven't called the ABC Cebu 745. I really don't know what is this that I swipe. So, I need to call my Union Bank to validate what is it. I don't know. Maybe I forgot, but I really don't know. Can't remember. Most of the time that I use my credit card is the Move It. So, for the Move It, guys, na-link ko yung credit card ko. So, every time magbubook ako, it is automatically swiped in my credit card. I don't use cash anymore. Not unless if it's someone is using my Move It, like gustong magpabook. Pero anyways, yeah, ang convenient lang kasi that when I pag dumating na ako sa location, tatanggalin ko na yung helmet ko and then, alis na ako. I don't need to pay and I don't need to wait for the change. So, that's why most of the time you would see it's the Move It in here. And USC is the, quarterly payment of my kids' tuition. And then I do have the Netflix that is always being billed every 12 of the month. Then I have Jollibee. So for the Jollibee, guys, this is swiped together with my work colleagues. So hindi siya dapat yung amount na babayaran ko. I have to collect the amount from my teammates. Kasi yung nangyayari, guys, every time na may bibili, magpapasabay yan. So that's what happened in my account. So nagpasabay sila, but I use my credit card. And they're just gonna pay me later on. Don't worry, kasi we've been doing this for like a year na, and my colleagues are paying on time naman. So they're not like, no, I can't pay. So they are also responsible with their money. So let me total how much should I be taken out and pay for the Move It. So let's go here for the, here, na total ko na pala siya, guys. So for the transpo, that's 1,205. So let's go back sa ating February na tab. So, for the February na tab, dito ko siya kukunin sa first paycheck. Kasi the coverage of my payment, for that is for the February 3 up until February 15th bill. So, I'll go get that from gas and move it. So, from this category here. So I'll just enter it here, 1205, choose the category. 1205. So let me enter 1205. Okay. There. So ngayon, all I have to do is to get the 1205 in my CIMB, transferred it to my Union Bank, put it in my like a standby lang. So by the end of the month, once I have collected all the money, I would be paying it. Then since I have, what else do we have? Netflix 549. So kukunin ko din po siya from that amount. Saan ko ba siya kukunin? Yeah, sa miscellaneous. So, for the miscellaneous, guys, I have... sorry. So, for the miscellaneous, kunin ko lang siya dito. Here is... Where's the miscellaneous? Okay, here. Tapos, lagay ko 549. Okay, there. So... and my credit card, so lagay ko lang dito 549. There we go. Then what else do I have for the CC transaction? USD 1195. Sige, mamaya ko na siya kukunin. 11,950. So, for now, yung total ko lang na isi-send is, let me just calculate the total. So, 1,754 rin yung amount na ita-transfer ko from my CIMB going to my Union Bank para pondo na siya. And once actually, let me just go ahead and send it over. Okay, na-transfer ko na siya, guys. So, what I have to do is with this section in here is itadrag ko lang siya sa paid, which means that it is already in the collected. Oops, sorry. It is already in my collected. Sandali lang ha. So, once na-drag ko na siya, guys, magiging updated yung running collected ko in here. So, what? That's 1,754. So, yung remaining unpaid ko na lang is 15,968. For this February 3rd until the 15th. So, yung babayaran ko na lang is the Jollibee and then the USC, which is, I'm gonna do it by the end of the month na lang. Yeah. So, let me just update the the days between February 16 to March 3 because I know for sure meron talaga ako ditong mga na-swipe. Especially sa move it na part. So, let me just go ahead. Sorry, Dad. So, let me just go ahead and update this and I'll get back. So, there. Na-update ko na siya, guys. Yeah. So, nire-review ko lang talaga yung money ko, guys, and I'm so happy kasi yung paycheck number 1 ko, ito yung balance. As you can see, it's 16,113, although we're still having some more expenses that I have to set aside. Let's say, for example, in situation, I need to put it in the savings at hindi siya maging expenses, but again, since it's part of the budget, I still have to put it in. Pero mamaya na yung final talaga na closing out by the end of the month. Siguro, let me find a schedule when I would be doing that because I failed to be consistent in scheduling every Monday na magpa-finance day ako. I only did it today. And today is Thursday, guys. So, yun nga, I failed to do that. So, ano na ba tayo ngayon? 20. So, for the closing out, probably I'd be doing this March 3. So, yeah, I'll be consistently doing that. Let me put that in my calendar just to make sure I won't miss it. Para I can still show you guys how I'm really doing right now with my finances. And by the way, I just wanted to, share with you guys that for this month, last month, January, nag-utang ako. I borrowed from the sa grade 8 tuition fee ko. I actually paid the eyeglasses of 4,000 tapos sa birthday ng anak ko because I wasn't really prepared at all. Wala naman talaga akong plan on her birthday, but still a birthday, so I have to celebrate it for her. I'm just glad because she was happy na even though walang party na nangyari. Like last year, what we did was we spent a lot on her birthday, 7th birthday, and like my party, my clown, and all of her classmates, friends was there to celebrate with her. And now she's 8. She actually asked it, but I'm just so happy na kahit hindi ko siya nabigyan, she's still happy because on the day of her birthday is when her grandpa and grandma came back from US. They stayed there for 3 months, so I think that's what really what makes her happy na na-celebrate yung birthday niya. Kumain lang kami sa isang restaurant na malapit na which is mura. I only spent 4,500 and to think ilan lang ba kami? Mga more than 10 kasama yung family ko at saka family ng husband ko. And then for the Jollibee, I've spent like spaghetti, 35 packs of spaghetti na pinakain ko for their classmates. So, I don't want to take that out for my budget kasi madi-zero out talaga ako. So, what I did, nag-borrow na lang muna ako dito sa grade 8 tuition fee ko na 30,000 but I will be paying that 10,954. Siguro, that's gonna be my goal. But ibabalik ko siya because that's for the grade 8. I was thinking I should be, una talaga yung thinking ko, kukunin ko siya sa aking emergency funds, but I think na, oh my god, pag na-start talagang makunan yan, magtutuloy na magdi-decrease yung emergency funds namin, plus hindi na maipapalik yung pera na yan. You know what I'm saying? Kasi nga, I would say na magsisave na ako next. But if I am taking it out from my grade 8 tuition fee, well, I know that I have to save up because ayokong magkaroon ng utang sa school. Ayokong magkaroon ng, yung ayokong magkaroon ng behind or past due sa tuition ng anak ko because I've been there when I was studying in college, yung anong tawag doon, yung magpa-promissory ka because wala kang perang pambayad, and I don't want that to happen for my kid. So, I have the mentality, yung mindset ko that I have to return the money back here because I have the saving goal of 67, and if I can't return yung utang na yun, then I will be in the wrong spot. So, yeah, that's my story for my February, guys, and I know it's kinda boring, but I know it's good to be back. It's good to talk with you again about our financial journey, and I do hope you're still gonna be with me up until this year end of 2025. See how it goes with my financial journey. So next time, I will try my very best to share with you what are my current goals because that is still something I wanted to figure out. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and please do subscribe. See you.